Hallo, willkommen zurück. Vielen Dank fürs Einschalten. Ich bin Hermela Solomon. That's right, I just spoke German and I'm super proud. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is going to be a curly hair routine and I'm going to show you guys a review of a product that I just received. I have been taking German private lessons for about 2.5 months now and I absolutely love it. I am trying to perfect my skills. If you guys don't know already, my boyfriend is from Germany and he is native to Hamburg. I visited, I think, 2 years ago, and I visited Berlin and Hamburg. And I love the country, I love the people, the culture. It's so beautiful and so different than the States, which is why I find so much kind of passion and interest to keep on pushing through, even though the grammar and the pronunciation is so hard. So send positive vibes to me, guys. I need it. But anyways, I'm going to show you exactly how the products work for me. It's from their Monuka honey and yogurt line. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, the protein power treatment, as well as a leave-in conditioner or a leave-in spray treatment and a split ends balm. I won't use all of the products just because I don't want to bore you guys with a full line of Shea Moisture, but I'm going to explain how the products work for me at the end and show you my final results. So if you guys are interested to see how it works for me and hear what I have to say, please continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy. So before I get into my curly hair routine, I wanted to show you the shampoo and conditioners I used from Shea Moisture. They're within that same product or that same line of the Monuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair shampoo and conditioner. Let me talk about it for a second. I started with the shampoo, of course, and I absolutely loved the shampoo. I got so much lather than I would have expected. When it comes to shampoos, I am used to having a lot of lather just from the other shampoos I used growing up. I like to be able to feel the soap and the buildup that comes with kind of cleansing your scalp when you use a shampoo. So then next I want to talk about the conditioner. I went ahead and applied this. I used a lot just because when it comes to conditioning, that's when I go ahead and detangle my curls. Both the shampoo and conditioner is sulfate free, parabens free, mineral oil free, no animal testing, and no petrolatum. I think I'm saying that right. But it is extremely safe for your hair, sulfate free mainly, and color safe if you guys color your hair. I absolutely loved both of them. I would recommend them to you guys. This is not a sponsored review actually. They just sent it to me and I thought why not share with my viewers how I liked it and whether or not I would recommend it to you guys. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with my normal curly hair routine. I'm just gonna go ahead and chit chat, you know? So as you guys know, it's the winter time and my hair has really been feeling the coldness and the dryness that it causes to my curls. Every wash and go I've tried to complete, I'm not satisfied at all with my wash and go. I tried switching up different products. I even got a trim about a month ago, so I felt like my ends are as healthy as they can be. I don't know, maybe I need to go ahead and get a trim again, I'm not sure. But I also feel like, I don't know, I can't get my hair to come back to life. You know, it just feels very dry, brittle, and not filled with bounce and life. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my curly hair routine and start off with sectioning out my curls and then start with a leave-in conditioner. But like I said earlier, I am learning German as we speak, you guys. I have private lessons. I take lessons twice a week. I'm currently on chapter 2 of my book. I'm just gonna spray some water. But I am very excited to be learning another language. Like I said, my boyfriend is from Germany and he came to the States on a scholarship to play soccer. So that's how I met him at my school. As you guys know, my go-to favorite leave-in conditioner is from Garnier Fructis. This time I am going with their original leave-in conditioner, the Sleek and Shine. I normally do the buttercream, but I'm feeling a little old school today. So as you guys know, I also, whenever I'm done with my wash and go, I start with diffusing my curls about 75% and then just let it air dry for the rest. I feel like because I am diffusing, maybe that's drying out my curls on the ends, which is totally normal. So I've been trying to stick with just air drying or lessen the amount of time that I spend with diffusing. But with the styling cream, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil. This is the Curl Smoothie. It has the best consistency for my hair. It's extremely thick and creamy and hydrates my curls. I love the smell of it as well, so it kind of is a win-win situation, but you don't really need much of this product. I think I put too much on my hands, but do not need much. Today I'm going to start with the question. I know I did a Q&A a long time ago. Well, actually not a long time ago, but a year ago when I first started filming for YouTube. But let's see, I am planning to do a trip soon with my significant other, my boyfriend, and we hope to do a Europe trip. I'm not sure which country yet. We'll keep that a surprise. I have 2 brothers and I have 2 dogs who are brothers. They are half Chihuahua and half Bichon. So that's fun. They're crazy. Like whenever you ring the doorbell or when they hear someone or someone new comes to our house, they go crazy. Like I'm pretty sure our neighbors hate us because they're the craziest dogs I've ever met. Countries that I have visited are Ethiopia, countries Mexico, Italy, Germany, Denmark, yeah, I think that's it. I'm not sure. But I want to travel more. I see everyone traveling and I'm like, why not me? So, gotta save that money. You guys have to let me know what else you would like to see on my channel. I know I'm mostly hair, but I really want to branch out and kind of expand on other videos because sometimes I literally run out of ideas. And I feel like that's normal for a lot of YouTubers, but it's really hard to get creative when you see everyone kind of doing the same thing, and I'm guilty to it too. Like, how many curly hair videos are you gonna watch? But I want to inspire and make you feel like you are part of my family. So let's see if I can practice some, or I'm going to say some German nouns and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but don't be too harsh, please. So let's see, I'll just say some nouns I know. Yeah, also my pronunciation is like your typical American learning German. I'm not the best, so also don't criticize too hard. But so here we go. Die Studentin, die Studentinnen, der Lehrer, die Lehrer, ja, die Lehrerin, die Lehrerinnen, Lehrerinnen, das Haus, die Tür, das Buch, das Heft. Oh, by the way, all of these are basically like school vocabulary, so like books or notebooks, the door, and then you could say der Radergummi, der Radergummi. Yeah, so I'm really learning. What else can I say? Or how about other things besides nouns? I know. So, I know. Hallo, wie geht's? Good, danke. Or you could say, ich heiße Hermela Solomon. Wie heißt du? It's like, what is your name? And then I could say, heute regnet es, meaning it's raining today. I'm telling you guys, I am a professional German speaker. Give me like 500 years and I'll be a professional. I'm not sure how long it'll take me to become fluent, but I hope at some point I'll be able to have like a normal conversation or like a dialogue that I can hold with my boyfriend or his family. So I think it's really cool to broaden your skills, and language is honestly like opening the gate and doors to communicating with different people from across the world. So once you open that up, it like opens your mind up to different cultures and different ways of living from other people that you never knew before. So yeah, shout out to my German teacher. She's the best. Honestly, this stuff gets so tiring. I just want to let you guys know that you are beautiful and that you don't need anyone to tell you that, as long as you love yourself and see your own true beauty and your confidence. I'm gonna go ahead and start diffusing my curls and then let it air dry for the rest of the time. I will come back and show you guys what it looks like at what point where I stopped diffusing, and show you guys what it looks like at the point that I start air drying. I hope you guys are finding this helpful, but I'll see you guys back. Bye. What's up guys? Just finished diffusing my hair for a good hour. I'm gonna let it air dry for the remainder of the time, just because I have the time to let it just naturally dry on its own. I don't want to put too much heat on it with a diffuser, only because I'm trying to avoid drying out my curls, which has been the case for the past few wash and goes that I've been doing. Alright guys, so this is the final results of the wash and go using all of those products from Shea Moisture. I went ahead and also used different products in my curly hair routine, which you guys saw, but a lot of the protein and the moisture I got was from the Shea Moisture products, which really helped with bringing back life to my curls. It's not just gonna happen overnight or after just one wash and go, but it's definitely gonna take some time to, I don't know, it may not look like it on camera, but I swear I've been feeling these kind of straw-like textures in my hair. So I went ahead and diffused for about 30 minutes and then let it air dry for the remainder of the time so that I could get the volume without also frying my curls from the diffuser. I am really trying to step back from using the diffuser just because of all of the direct heat that's going on to my hair. So I will answer any questions that you guys have down below. Also, don't forget to let me know how where you guys are from. If you're from Germany, where in Germany you're from. I want to see exactly how many of you guys are following me and how many of you guys are loving my videos. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.